Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby.
And I'm Georgie.
And we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture.
And content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
This tutorial is going to be tough, I would say, as we will be working on this beautiful piece of trash. There you go.
This is going to be a long and extreme furniture makeover, and we are so excited to show you guys what we have been up to.
This is our first extreme makeover, and it felt like we built this piece from scratch, but the final result made us forget the pain and the sweat. So I'd say let's get into it and show you how we did it step by step.
If you like how we did it, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you didn't still subscribe, please, maybe you like the next video. I started by unscrewing the handles, and then I boiled them in half water, half vinegar to remove the dirt. And then I applied 2 coats of Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer, great if you wanna paint metal or shiny surfaces.
The veneer was all chipped off, cracked, so we had to remove it with a putty knife. We couldn't remove some pieces of this veneer, so we put some hot rags with water on the top. This is the short version of the process, obviously, but in reality has been a proper nightmare, and it took us a lot of time. Then we sanded the whole piece with 80 grit sandpaper. The top had a crack, and we also had to remove a piece of veneer on the door, so we used the mud in abundance to fill it in. Once it's dry, we sanded down and it was like new. At the end, we sanded the whole piece with 320 grit to smooth out the wood. The next step is cleaning the piece with white lightning, Dixie Belle's furniture cleaner, and then rinse it twice only with water. We left the piece to dry, and then we applied both in 3 coats, letting it dry for 24 hours before painting. Both will stop bleed through, eliminate odors, and is just exactly what we need for this piece. I painted the inside with 2 coats of black by using caviar and a synthetic brush from Dixie Belle. I also made sure to keep the paint damp by using the water mist bottle. This will prevent brush strokes and give us a super smooth finish.
First thing is creating texture. We used the Sea Spray texture additive from Dixie Belle together with Evergreen to get like a heavy texture. So I started to apply the Evergreen mixture all over the piece, excluding the center of the door and drawer. There we will apply a bold shade of yellow later. Then I prepared the texture mixture with the Colonel Mustard and Sea Spray, and I start applying it on the middle of the door. I also applied some yellow in random spots. This project was really go with the flow in terms of style. We just decided what colors we want, and that's all. And now let's move working on the second coat. I will show you on this door because it was already dried. I decided that I want even more texture, so for the second coat I will still use texture. And I started with evergreen, then I applied colonel mustard in the middle, I applied some tree frog green here and there, and it was literally something this blend needed. I took out the best dang brush and I started to dab the paint from the middle towards the corners to spread the color and fade it out into the greens. I used some water as well to help me move the paint easily. Once the paint was dried, in about 2 hours, I created some drips with caviar. They look really cool actually and complete this piece so nice. Like, I wouldn't see the piece without them. We let the piece to dry overnight and then we applied clear best and wax all over it. In 20 minutes I buffed off the excess and I applied black wax. I applied the clear one first so I can move easily the black wax and not get it stuck in that texture. I applied black wax starting with the corners and just going with it along the edges, create like a slight shadow. And in 20 minutes I buffed off the excess wax with a piece of cloth. I also applied some copper gilding wax on the handles just in random spots to give them like a glamour rust. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!